Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a week vlog. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, right now I am currently going to go ahead and get my morning going by making a Javy iced coffee. The link and the code will be in my description box down below, as well as on the screen here if you have pen and paper to write it down. Javy coffee is so convenient to where I can just easily add some ice to a cup, as well as some of the white chocolate sauce and the 1 to 2 teaspoons of Javy and water like I like, and then just some creamer to give it some flavor. So like I said, if you would like to try it, the link and the code will be in my description box down below. Clothes away. I have to do Sky's here, Sam's here, dinner's gonna be hot dogs and french fries. Hey y'all, happy Sunday. I am officially blurry. Alright y'all, happy Sunday. I'm officially coming out of the house real quick to run over to work. I literally work about 2-3 minutes from my house. So with that being said, it's just a bunch of light on this side, that's what it is. So with that being said, I'm just running over to work real quick to print some things off. I've never done this before, but I heard that as long as you don't go into the office, it won't set the alarms off. If it does, oh my God, I'm gonna be so embarrassed, because all I wanna do is print something off that's needed by tomorrow morning. But while I'm already here, I might as well print out everything that I have on my computer that needs to be printed out, such as recipes and things like that. So come on y'all, as I go over to the school really quick. hallway. All right, y'all, so I'm in here. Yeah, trying to print stuff off real quick. So let me go ahead and get that done. So down here in our basement, we have the copy room where we can use the printer and all that stuff. So thankfully, I was able to get in here and let me get this stuff done. All right, so I'm officially done. I'm gonna get ready to head out of here and head back home. Hey y'all, and happy Monday. Today, oh gosh, today. I pray for days like this when it comes to teaching, because the kids don't do much work. They just play. Because of the simple fact we have Genius out this afternoon. So yeah, just took my hair out, so as you guys can see, it's curly, but in the back it's nappy. I'm gonna just put it into a ponytail today, as I don't feel like taming this jungle this morning. But I'm up and I totally forgot my Apple Watch at home, so I'm gonna run to Starbucks real quick and then run back home to grab my watch. So yes, but meanwhile, since I'm already out, I might as well go and get me some type of frappe. This is Alright, so it is 2:45. I'm gonna get ready to go get Cam from school, because we get out at 2:15. So normally I get off at 3 or 2:45, so I didn't have to wait too long. But I'm gonna go over here, sit and wait in the line to get him, as they both have doctor's appointments, and we're just going for their their 7 and 11-year-old checkup. So we're here. I hate filling out forms, and like the lady up front was so rude. She was like, "Oh, it doesn't matter where you check in at." Clearly. But then she was like, "Are you ready?" I said, "I've been ready." All right, y'all, we're all done. Back in the car. Yes, Cam had to get the 11-year-old shots, one in one arm and one in, or what was it, 2 in one and 1 in the other arm. So, you know, yeah, his arms might hurt a little bit, but we got him over and done with. And at our doctors, they give each of the kids the chance to pick out a book. So they both picked out a book. I am about to pull up at home, and it is starting to drizzle a little bit, and I got to get the dogs out before it starts to rain, because my dogs like to go outside and just lick. They don't go outside and use the bathroom. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so I am at home, finally settled in the house, and Lord, let me just say that it's been a long day. Right now, I'm gonna get ready to whip up a pizza for the kiddos. This is just one of those like 99-99 things from Kroger. So yeah, let me show y'all the packet real quick. These I get at Kroger, like I said, 99¢. All you need is half a cup of hot water and then 1 teaspoon of oil. That's all you're gonna need. And then the pizza sauce, of course, pizza cheese, and if you like pepperonis, throw those on there. So get ready to get them out of my hair for dinner, so I can sit down and relax, try to edit something and get something done. Hey y'all, it is Thursday morning, and I am grabbing us some breakfast really quick from Chick-fil-A. So today's type of deal here with work is wear as many colors as you can, as many patterns. So I washed my hair last night with the Tea Tree shampoo and conditioner. I'll put them here just to show you guys what I used. And then I just let it air dry basically. And this is the result. Very curly. So really thinking about taking this headband off, but yeah. So give me some Chick-fil-A, get ready to head off to work. Tomorrow working from home. So tomorrow, basically, since I'm working from home, we'll just be doing some cleaning. The bathroom will get its weekly clean. The kids' room is something that needs to be cleaned. The table in the kitchen and the living room.
Seconds.
That's fine.
Thank you very much.
I want to take some time out to think things through. Okay, so I'm finally back in the car. I'm gonna get ready to go get me some lunch real quick. And Lord only knows what that is gonna be, because I've ate everything already. I'm out of breath, y'all. So I've been on a really milk tea kick. I'm trying to stay away from going to like Kung Fu tea all the time. So I got these off of Amazon. Link will be down below if you guys ever want to try these. These are Senpure strawberry flavored milk teas. On the inside of it, it has like it comes with the instant powder, the Nate de cocoa pack, a sugar pack, and then of course the straw. So I'll show you guys how I make these here. Okay, so thought I was gonna go get me something to eat. I didn't. I ended up going to Trader Joe's and finding a little bit of everything, y'all. And I literally have like 30 minutes for lunch. So now I am gonna have to try to get back to work and get ready to finish testing my kiddos on math. So yes, I will include a clip here of the things that I got from Trader Joe's, which is basically the usual. I only spent $60, which is good, but while I'm in there and I see things that sometimes are not available other times, might as well. I'm so glad to be So here are the items that I got from Trader Joe's. I just got a drink, pizza, chicken and cheese, empanadas, as well as some orange chicken, vegetable fried rice, fruit dots, and other things. All right, y'all, so I'm quickly in here to clean up this room. We're gonna get it straight. That way tomorrow I can just enjoy my day off. Literally, Friday morning. It's raining like cats and dogs. Look at this. Alright, y'all, listen, Lindas. It's still raining outside, pouring like cats and dogs. I do not like it when it rains like this. Yeah, I don't like when it rains like this because I can't take the dogs out because they refuse to go to the bathroom. So, I'm gonna end up making something today, later, which will be part of a collab. But I'm really excited about it because I found it at the last minute on Instagram. Alright, so I got laundry to fold. I'm not even gonna film this, but yeah, I do have a couple of baskets of laundry to fold and get ready to put away tonight. Meanwhile, everything else is done. Just have to fold it up, put it away. Yeah, so it is raining so much here that I'm glad I got all of my cleaning done yesterday, just due to the fact that I get to go home and relax today, but I have to get my math work done because it's the last week. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all, so just went outside to walk the dogs and broke 2 nails, but it was time for me to go get a fill-in anyway, so I think I'm gonna go this afternoon to get that done. Just don't know what color I want, and I guess I need to think about that really quickly. Alright, y'all, so I gathered up my thoughts really quickly, and myself and Sky, and I'm heading over to go get the nails fixed ASAP. And I'm definitely gonna tell them, be gentle with this one nail, because who knows, yeah, because like I said, who knows. After that, I'm gonna run in Food Line really quickly to grab some items. I know I need to get the kids some juice, so that'll be one item I know I need. Other than that, I know I need some stuff for us to have for dinner tonight. So who knows what I'm picking up. So of course I get over to this one and she's like, did I want a gel fill-in? And she's like, oh, okay, do you wanna book an appointment for tomorrow? Do you think if I wanted to book an appointment for tomorrow, I couldn't have just called? Yeah, I'll let her think about that one. I clearly was like, it's cool, and walked off. I know how to go to the other one. Change of plans. I had to come to this one.
I'll do that one, and then I'll do all those. Do I like this one right here? Look at all these. I'll take.
I think I'm gonna do purple this time. Yeah, so I am officially done at the nail salon. This is the colors that I picked out. I just wanted to hurry up and get it done since I had broken 2, and Lord, it was hurting when I got it done. I'll leave that picture right here of my 2 broken nails. Meanwhile, I'm gonna get us some Chick-fil-A real quick.